In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust column width on Mailchimp in a quick and efficient manner. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this will help you fine-tune the layout of your email campaigns to ensure they look great on any device. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign in to your Mailchimp account. Make sure you've got your credentials handy. A smooth sign-in process will set the tone for the rest of the task. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab. This is where you'll find all the campaigns you've created. You want to choose the specific campaign you wish to edit. Sometimes campaigns can be listed a bit differently, but a quick look through or a search will get you to the right place. Now that you've selected the campaign, look for the option labelled Edit Design and click on it. This will open up the email editor, giving you the tools you need to make your changes. Once you're in the editor, hover over the section of your email where you want to adjust the columns. This is typically the area you want to refine for better aesthetics or functionality. Here you'll see a pencil icon, which is also known as the edit block icon. Clicking on this will open further customization options. If you're using a drag and drop template, pay attention to elements like text or image blocks. These are the building blocks of your email design, and focusing on them will help you tailor your column adjustments to suit your content needs. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with column settings. This is where you get to decide the structure of your email. You'll see the option to choose the number of columns you want to have. This flexibility is key in ensuring your design aligns with the message or campaign you're crafting. After settling on the number of columns, the next step is to select how those columns are split. Different splits might be better for visual aesthetics or for making specific information stand out, so take a moment to consider what layout will best convey your message. Once you've made these adjustments, click on the preview button. This is a crucial step. It allows you to see how your changes will appear both on desktop and mobile devices. A consistent look across different platforms is essential for effective communication. Finally, if the preview looks exactly as you envisioned, you're almost done. Satisfied with the design, simply click on Save and Close to apply your changes. This ensures that everything is locked in and ready for the next steps of testing or sending out your campaign. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough guide to adjusting column widths on Mailchimp. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your next email campaign both beautiful and effective.